Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to get NBA 2K14 on Android. Well, let's look for the Chrome browser. It's best to use Chrome browser because it goes way faster on Android devices, and the regular browser doesn't work as fast. So let's get this started. Well, of course, hold up, I have it saved into. Wait a minute. Come on. Oops. Okay. Well, of course, you press the downloader button. And plus, I'll have this link in the description. Okay. Then, of course, you press downloading button. Then, you go to, once the game is done downloading, go to File Manager. All files, turn storage, download. And plus, the download should be here. Only reason I deleted the file off of here because it took up most of my space. But once you install the game will already be saved there, and then you could just delete it off of the downloads, but you still have the game, and the game will work completely. So guys, well, yeah, that's the end of the video today, and I will be coming back with some more Madden mobile videos.